on the fact that it means more money in hand. And I'll pick it up from there as well. Mr. Ankur Chaudhary continues to be with us. Appreciate you, sir, also joining us on this conversation as well. Mr. Chaudhary, how do you see, there has been much also headache over the tax slabs that we had. It was also a trouble for the common man. Now the government has done the cleanup. Right, if we put it in the simple words, and this of course means that the cash flow is going to be even more rapid right now. Reforms are multi-sectoral, they are multifaceted as well, with a focus on the multi-thematic and aiming to ensure the ease of living for all the citizens. In your perspective, as there are also reforms touching the insurance and also the individual life and health insurance policies, what impact are you going to think is the common person largely is going to have after September 22nd?
Thank you. Good morning all, and good morning to your viewers. It's really a good morning from investors' point of view, from a common man point of view. And on the background of the recent geopolitical impacts, tariffs and all, after a long time, we have got something to cheer up, and market is cheering up anyway. So the effects will be everywhere in different sectors. And if you see, government has worked on this reform for a long time. I think they have done a good, consultation from different sectors. What are the problems? What have been the issues for small traders, for insurance sector, for the health sector? And especially, I think they have got a very good consultation and feedback from the different channels for the health insurance and especially the health sector. Because there has been a big demand for insurance sector to go to zero. Because, the insurance is something which is the necessity for everyone, right from the bottom of the pyramid to the top of the pyramid. So it is going to be cascading effect. And as Mitali has touched most of the macros, so let me concentrate on certain parts for the longer term for the market and capital markets. So what is going to happen with this reform per se? It is going to give a relief to RBI from the consumption side and especially from the inflation side. So it is very important for market participants to understand that the market runs only on one thing, which is the raw material for it, which is the interest rate. And as the inflation will ease going forward, and as inflation will ease off, then RBI will have a very, very good chance to cut rate further. And if it is going to happen, then the EMIs will go down even for the home loans. And so it is going to be cascading effect for the whole economy for a very long term. But for the market to remain escalated or go further, FII's participation is key. And FII's money is still a very significant money, which I will keep my eye on, as after 40% tariff, 50% tariff. But for sure, we are going to get a lot of consumption boost in this, especially the youth side, because the kind of the footwears, the 2,500 less than any wearables and all stuff, that they are going to 5%. So youth consumption is going to be a big theme for the markets. And I would say staples, health insurance sector, auto has been demanding for a very, very long time because auto was under stress. So I'm very, very optimistic that it is going to have a long-lasting impact on the whole economy.
Absolutely. As in fact, if I have to put it in your words, it is going to have a long impact over the coming days. And Mitali, very